no, I agreed to have a baby.
Hello.
You were offering sex at the time. I would have agreed to anything.
What was that pushing up? Oh.
No! She knows I can't eat without my strawberry milk. You should have just let her fork me.
I got into trouble in the first place.
Euphemism, Bob.
It's vocabulary. It's gotten so much better.
Elliot, why are you here?
I have to make Chelsea think I still work here so he doesn't have me arrested for stealing medical supplies. By the by, what would you have done if you couldn't give Carla the pill?
I faked it.
Guys can't take it.
Really? Does this sound familiar? Oh, baby. We're going all night. No, wait, don't move! Sorry.
Way too familiar.
Hey.
Thank you.
You know what I've been doing? I mean, besides listening to my last Morissette CD to get pumped up to talk to you? Here.
Yep.
I've been thinking about how completely ridiculous it is that you would take Mr. Kellerman's life into your hands without talking to him.
Well, I did talk to him.
You did?
Patients who stay low on the heart transplant list die waiting for one. This way he moves up to the top of the list.
Then why didn't you tell me?
Because you're independent now. And that doesn't just mean a fat bank account, expensive new toys, and a